the heart of a bright green jungle, a cheerful monkey named Milo woke up early to play. The sun shone, the birds sang, and adventure waited just beyond. Not far away, Elmo the elephant was taking a slow morning walk, humming a happy tune. He could already smell his favorite mangoes somewhere. Suddenly, Milo jumped down from a branch and landed right in front of Elmo. Both were surprised, and just like that, a new friendship began. Milo and Elmo smiled at each other, ready for a day full of fun. After a long walk, they reached a sparkling river. The water danced in the sunlight, but there was no bridge to... They looked around and found an old wooden bridge. It was cracked and shaky. One wrong step could break it apart. Milo came up with a clever idea. Together, they started fixing the bridge, Milo tying vines and Elmo lifting heavy logs. They worked as one, but just as they were finishing, dark clouds rolled in, raindrops began to fall, and thunder roared through the forest. Elmo stood strong, blocking the rain, while Milo tied the vines tighter. Their teamwork didn't stop. No matter, when the rain finally stopped, a bright rainbow stretched across the sky. It felt like the heavens were cheering, for slowly and carefully they crossed the bridge they had built together. Each step showed their trust, and on the other side waited a land full of colors, flowers, butterflies, bananas, and mangoes everywhere. It was like a paradise of friendship. Under a big shady tree, Milo and Elmo shared their fruits. They laughed, talked, and celebrated their big adventure. As the sun went down, stars sparkled above their new bridge. The soft glow of the moon made it shine like silver. And from that day on, everyone in the forest crossed the bridge of friendship, the bridge that Milo and Elmo built together. Because true friendship builds bridges that never break.